Good morning children. Welcome once again in your mathematics class. So as we are continuing the chapter addition and subtraction, and I taught you how to do addition and then addition word problems. Today I will teach you about the subtraction. Already you have learned how to do subtraction and why we are doing the subtraction. But here again we will do the revision of the subtraction. Actually, what is subtraction? Subtraction means to take away things from the group. Or I can say how many are left in the group. To find out that, we do the subtraction. And the sign of subtraction is this, minus. That is like sleeping line. Then I can show you by writing one of the sum of the subtraction. You know already how to write. Suppose one question is here, 92 minus 10. Then how to write? As you know, in subtraction always we have to write the bigger number top. So here first, how many digits are here? 2 digit numbers are here. So tens and ones. Okay, written. Then bigger number is 92 or 10. So here comparing also you are learning. 9 tens and 1 ten. Which is bigger? 92. So you will write the 92 up. Some of the children they write 10 up, then their answers come wrong. Please don't do that one. Always write the bigger number up. And that you know children what we do? That is called minuet. Minuet. And the smaller number below that is 10, and give the sign of subtraction. And the smaller number is called subtrahend. Subtrahend. And now you will solve it. You will do the subtraction. How to do? From which side to start? Like addition, same way you have to start from the ones place side. So ones place side up is 2 ones and the down is 0 ones. So if I have 2 toffees and somebody means not asking. So how many are with me? 2 only. So 2 ones minus 0, that is 2. Now come to the next place. Which place is there? Tens place. So 9 tens. 9 tens minus 1 ten. So very simple. That is 8. 82. This is called the difference. So, and you have learned some of the rules also, that when we are subtracting 0 from any number, then the answer is the number itself. Like here, I am showing you, suppose 42. I am subtracting 0, then the answer is the number itself, 42. And when you are subtracting the same number, that is when you are 42, same number, then what will come? 0. And when you are subtracting 1 from the any number, then the number is the what comes before that number. That is the answer. Like 42, what comes before 42? 41. So that is the answer. So children, here everything is related. Don't try to forget. You have to practice the first chapter also, and when you are able to remember the first one, then only you can move to the next one. Otherwise it's very difficult. First chapter teacher is teaching, you will think that this is not important, then maybe you are not able to get 100 out of 100 or better score full marks in your maths. So children, you do easily subtraction without regrouping, but you have problem in doing subtraction with regrouping. So I am again here, this one teaching you. Please pay attention. One sum is written for you. 342 minus 165. First work, you arrange these all number place wise. Some are writing this copy's last page or somewhere else and writing their only answer. No, then teacher will not give you the full marks. Please, whenever this type of sums, you show there then only teacher will think you have done there only. Then teacher will give you the full marks. So here arrange the numbers place wise. And which number you have to write first? Always the bigger number, that is the minimum. 342. I have arranged. Now which number I have to arrange? 165. 165 exactly below. And then sign of subtraction. Now we have to do the subtraction. So ones place number we have to subtract first. Ones place top number is 2 and the bottom number is 5. 2, if you have 2 toffees and you have to give to 5 toffees to your friend or your brother, then is it possible? No. You will borrow from your mother or maybe from father, or you will buy from the shopkeeper. But here this ones place is going to borrow from the tens place. So tens place, how many tens are there? 4 tens. And here is 2 ones. So tens place is saying I can give you the number, but I cannot give like 1 or 2. I can give you 110. 110 means I can give you 10 numbers together. So here tens place has given 110. Then here is 3 tens left. I have written here in the circle. 3 tens left. Okay. Now here is 110 given. That is 10 number given and 10. And already here 2 numbers are here. 2 ones. So 10 ones plus 2 ones, that is the number 12. I am writing this also in the circle. And I gave you the concept of regrouping in my previous videos. What is regrouping? The making of group again, but in the different manner. Like 42. 42. How to regroup it? This number is 4 tens and 2 ones. If 110 given to here, then here is only 3 tens. 4 tens minus 110, 3 tens. And here 110 got plus here 110. And we know children 110 is equal to 10 ones. So I can write here 10 ones plus 2 ones, that is 3 tens plus 10 plus 2, 12 ones. 3 tens plus 12 ones. And if you count, then also it comes same 42. Let us see 3 tens, that is 3 tens is 30 plus 12. Plus it 2 plus 0, 2 and 1 and 3, 4. See, same coming now. Here we have used the concept of regrouping. So now here from 12 ones, 5 ones easily you can subtract. How to do? If you don't know, use your fingers or you can make this thick small lines and you can do. So count after 5 till 12. I am counting. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many fingers? 7. So here 7 ones. Now come to the tens place. Tens place, what is here? 3 tens left only. And again the same problem. Down is 6 tens. No, we cannot subtract 6 tens from 3 tens. So again, tens place will borrow from the, not this side, ones place. Always asking from the bigger one. Generally, who has more from that person only we know. If we take borrow, then that person is able to give. If somebody not having anything, how that person will give you the things. So here, 100 place, bigger than the tens place. And you know tens place only 2 digits, 100 place 3 digits are there. 100 place is bigger, so going to ask to 100 place. 100 place is having here 300s. 100 place is telling same way. Yes, I can give you, but I can't give you like 110, 2 tens or 1, 1, 2 ones. I can give you directly 100. I have 300, I can give you the 100. So from 300, the 100 place is giving 100. Then here is 13 tens, again using the regrouping concept. And here is 2 tens only left. 13 tens. 13 tens minus 6 tens. That is, same way you use your finger or you can do directly. Then after 6, count till 13. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Again the same, 7. Then come to the 100 place. Now here is 200 and here is 100. 2 minus 1, 1. So here the difference comes 177. That is the answer. And here I have used the concept of the regrouping. Now I hope children you have understood subtraction without regrouping and with regrouping. So some of the questions I am giving you. At least 2 you can solve in your rough copy now, and then just to check your knowledge. Thank you, children.